Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ann, and if you're not, welcome back. And what we do here is a lot of makeup related stuff. We do makeup unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup looks. Sometimes we even do makeup reviews. And today we're going to be doing another unboxing, which is the August Ipsy Plus. This month you will notice came different. It is in a bag instead of the box, which doesn't really bother me. Again, either way, as long as I'm getting my bag. Okay, so Ipsy Plus is a monthly subscription. It does cost $25 a month. You get 5 full-size products in a medium bag. Then they do have the Ipsy bag, regular glam bag, for $12 a month. Small bag, and it's $12 a month. And 5 deluxe size samples. I don't know how I said that. But then they do have the ultimate. All in total, you will get 12 products for $50. 8 being full size. 4 being deluxe size sample. And a large makeup bag. So you're getting a makeup bag with every one. I think if I was going to start off, I would start off with the little one first. And see if I like them or not. And at least you're always getting a bag. But I think the Ipsy Plus is more, I don't know. It's like more user-friendly. I don't know how to say it. It's just better because you're getting 5 full-size products. They are like getting the 5 products for $5 a piece and getting a free bag. So that's why I like this one the most. This month, we are getting, like, I guess, a reusable bag or something like that. We will be able to choose 3 products now on with our Ipsy Plus. I don't know if they're going to do that with anything else or not. So, here is the reusable bag. So, I don't know. Will we be getting, is this the only bag we'll be getting? Or will they send a bag out like this? I didn't even read. All I know is said something about a reusable bag. Okay. So, we got a card. The future is yours is the theme this month. And of course, nothing. We don't need it. They're not telling us about our products no more. They used to, when they first started, like, with the Ipsy Plus, it did tell us, like, our prices and stuff like that. And now it doesn't. I kind of like to know what mine's costing, so I know if my box is worth it or not, or bag. But it's up to them. Okay, first product is looks like an eyeshadow palette. It's Venice Fling Bailey and Times Estate. Okay, it is beautiful outside packaging. It does come with the safety and a good mirror. And we're getting 9 beautiful colors in here. So we got So, Bonfire, Rose Tattoo, Tan Lines, Ocean Avenue, and Toasty. And this color looks like it's going to be right up my alley. We got Roller Skates, Puppy Love, Vincent Fling. So really, really, especially in colors, I really like them. Okay, so I like that. Now, I have tried, like, some things by Estate. I haven't tried a whole lot, but I have tried some. Okay, so the next thing, Huda Beauty. This is their Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. It's 3.6 milliliters, which is 0.12 flow ounces. Now, I really like Huda's lipsticks. I think they're really, really good. They last for a while. And this one was in the color Feminists. I don't think I have this color. No, I don't think I do. Maybe I do. I don't know. So, really like that. That is going to, like, not that I don't have enough on my lips already. So, that's, like, a big plus for me. Okay, so this is by Ciate London. It is the watermelon burst setting powder, and it weighs 0.28 ounces, which is 8 grams. It's good for 12 months. I'm smelling it because I just want to know if it smells like watermelons. Okay, so it does got a mirror. I like that. So here it is. You can see the little dots for the watermelons. And the powder. And we're just like, I don't think I have a brush. I get a slight scent of watermelon. Not like that really candy flavor, but I can smell some watermelon in it. So I do like that. Okay. This is Eyeko. I think. It looks like Eyeko. Yes, Eyeko. London. This is their Black Magic Mascara. Drama in Curl. It's cruelty-free. And we are getting 0.27 flow ounces, which is 8 grams. I do like the wand. It's pretty good size. Like, a little bit. Okay. So, I can't really tell. I should have used a mirror. I can't tell. I do have some Eyeko. Oh, yeah. Let me even them up. I forgot to put mascara on my bottom lashes. My eyes has been watering. But it is, I don't know if you guys can see that. It like gave a lot of length and volume to my bottom lashes. So I do like that. I like the length. I like, because it's very hard to get your bottom lashes to even show up. So I like a mascara that can actually bring them out. So I like that. Last item, Huda Beauty. Yep. And I think this is a brow gel. Yes, it is. We will just slap some on. I don't have no brow gels on. It even like helped darken that up. Did you see that? Like, look at the difference. I don't know. I like re-bleached my hair. I gotta get some like purple shampoo. I forgot to get any. And I think I look weird today. Now we need to match. Okay. So I do like that. I'm always about a good brow gel. This one looks darker though. I don't know what's going on. I probably done it darker. Okay. So I do like a good brow gel. Especially like to keep your brows set in place. Love Huda Beauty. I'm really excited about trying the Estate palette. I've never tried I've only tried singles and some lipsticks. Be honest with you, they've got some liquid lips that I don't care about, but they do have some stuff that I do like. And I watch Bailey all the time, so I really am looking forward to trying this. I'm really, really excited about the setting powder. And hey, I tried this. So far, so good. So, really, I don't have nothing like to bitch about or complain about. Let's say it like that. Let's be user friendly and not use words like that. But I do like the eyeshadow palette. I mean, I love the Ciate London. So I even like the brow gel. I need to darken this one up a little bit more. They kind of look like sisters or cousins or something. It's so hard to get your brows right. But I do like it. I like the little bag. It's lightweight. It feels really good. It's not like heavy. You probably machine wash it. It'd probably take the glitter off, but I do like it. So, you know, this month I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 because I really did like it. And I guess that is it. And I will leave the link down below for Ipsy if you'd like to try it for yourself. Ipsy Plus is my favorite one out of all of them. It's just because you are getting 5 full-size products for like $5. And that's like, I mean, $25. So that's like $5 a piece. So it's like really a good deal. But I guess that is it. I hope y'all did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.